Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name is Adrian, and in this lesson we are taking a family photo. If you enjoy this video, remember to like, leave a comment, click the subscribe button, and hit the bell to get notifications. Let me introduce you to the family. In the middle of the picture are grandfather and grandmother. Grandmother looks very old. She has grey hair and she wears glasses. Grandmother is wearing a light blue blouse and a dark green skirt. She is wearing orange slippers on her feet. Grandfather looks very young. He has black hair and long teeth. Grandfather is wearing purple clothes and a white shirt and red shoes. Let's ask some questions. Answer yes or no. Does grandmother wear glasses? Yes, grandmother wears glasses. Does grandfather have grey hair? No. Grandfather has black hair. Now let's talk about the photographer. We can't see much of the photographer because he is under a cloth. But we can see his camera. It looks very old. It isn't new. In one hand, he is holding the button. And in the other hand, he is holding the flash, which makes smoke and sparks. Next to the photographer is the family pet dog. The family pet dog is brown and is wearing a pink collar. The dog won't be in this family photo. Let's ask some questions. Answer yes or no. Is the camera new? No. The camera looks very old. Is the dog wearing a pink collar? Yes, the dog is wearing a pink collar. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again soon.